Affiliate marketing recommendations that everybody must follow. A technique that companies use for growth is affiliate marketing. For those who have actually never utilized affiliate marketing, there are some things to understand before applying it to your organization. Make certain to compose quality material and then improve it with affiliate links. Consider your affiliate links as resources for your clients that will make it easy for them to purchase the service or product you best regard suggest. If your review of the product is shallow and makes it clear that you don't truly have individual experience with the item, no one will click on your links, no matter the number of posts. Prevent using affiliates that require you to pay them. You should likewise prevent any affiliate that needs you to acquire their item before you end up being an affiliate. When promoting your affiliate items, take it simple to make bold claims that you cannot back up. Consumers are eventually going to discover if you're lying about the benefits of the product. Then you might be on the hook to the real affiliate company when they get complaints about their product not carrying out as advertised. To get more earnings out of your affiliate marketing program, try consisting of a link to your products in your emails or newsletters that you send to regular clients. Make sure that the link is in the email when you send out news of new products or unique deals. You might be surprised by the number of clicks it gets. When choosing a subject for your affiliate marketing-driven website, choose something that appeals to the broadest audience. Everyone asks how do I or how can I all the time, so a website offering short articles with guidance on finishing a range of tasks will reach the broadest audience. You can also specify that it backslashes home repairs, upgrades, or natural recipes for food and cleaning supplies, to catch an audience more specific to the affiliate marketing links you might be utilizing. When signing up with an affiliate marketing program, make certain the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to inform the legitimacy of a company is by the regards to their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being gotten in touch with a reliable company will boost your credibility, being linked to a dubious company will harm it. A terrific idea for affiliate marketers is to create an ebook of your products. This will include worth and differentiate you from the other business with your new consumers. Producing an ebook is easy and is an excellent way to improve your company by drawing in brand new customers. Organizations utilize the affiliate marketing technique for growth. Affiliate marketing draws more consumers to companies, which in turn produces more revenue. The details from this post will help you utilize it with your company to gain more clients and produce more earnings if you have never ever utilized affiliate marketing. For those who have actually never used affiliate marketing, there are some things to understand before applying it to your company. You need to also avoid any affiliate that requires you to acquire their item before you become an affiliate. To get more revenue out of your affiliate marketing program, try consisting of a link to your products in your emails or newsletters that you send out to regular clients. When signing up with an affiliate marketing program, make sure the business that makes the product you're promoting is genuine. If you have actually never used affiliate marketing, then the information from this article will help you utilize it with your service to get more clients and generate more revenue. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.